how to attach sound effects with transition on Capcut. So in this video, I'll show you step by step. So now it's video clip. Here is this one and this one. I want to add transition and the sound effect to be attached. So all you have to do now, select the video clip, go to transition, and plus now find the transition you want to add. Just click on the plus button. It will add the transition for you. Now here is my transition. So now I'll go ahead now and add the sound effects. Go to audio section and then go to sound effects and search for the audio you want to use. For me, I want to use this deep whoosh. I'll just click on this plus button. So now here is now my audio and here is transition. So now I'm not attached. If you want to attach them, go ahead and click on this plus button. After you click on this plus button, so here it will allow you to see your transition in full and to see your audio in full size. So now all you have to do now, drag the audio. After you drag the audio, so make sure you add the audio in the center of the transition. So now my audio started from this session to this session to this, to here is the end of the audio. So I'll make sure now I add the audio wave in the center of the transition. I add it now. So now if I play the video, so now I'll just go ahead and click on this zoom out minus. So now if you play your video like this, so as you can see now I attach the transition and the sound effects in my Capcut, and that's it guys. If this video helps out, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.